Aloha, my name is Sokhom Heng. I'm going to talk about project crashing. Crashing means shorting the time, the activity time in a network. The purpose is to reduce times on the critical path so that the total completion times could be reduced. There's two main reasons actually that can cause project crashing. The first reason is when the project is behind the schedule. So once the project is behind the schedule, usually the project management would push so that the project could be done or finished faster. The reason is to reduce costs, because the longer the project lasts, then the more costs we would spend on that project. The second one, when the scheduled project has been moved forward. For this point, we discussed in class that management sometimes they decided, okay, we want to move our project date from this particular date to move forward to the next particular date. And they could have their own reason too. It could be they could do that to reduce costs as well. Maybe during that period, the inflation period or short inflation period, so maybe they don't want to spend monies on buying resources or materials, stuff like that. Or another reason I could think of is when the management wants to charge more money to the person or to someone that requests us to do the project for them, so they can use that and buy, okay, because the project is delayed because of this and this, we spend on this much, we want to charge you that much. So that could be the reason too. To calculate the crash cost per period, actually we're gonna take crash cost subtracted by normal cost and then divided by normal time subtracted by crash time. So that's the way we calculate that. As far as the video, actually we've seen that the workers over there, they get frustrated because they don't know what to do, and I can tell there's two main reasons that happening in there. First, they don't have good project management and good project team, because if they had good project management, a good project management would give them project schedule. I mean, okay, you need to do this the first step. Let's say you have 4 activity tasks that need to complete by a certain date, and here's the first thing you do. Let's say the activity task is A, B, C, and D. So in order to complete that, you need to start activity A first and B first as a prerequisite, for example, to project C. So before you move to C, you may finish A and B first, and then later on you move to D, stuff like that. To kind of give direction. So if they use so that the manager could use a Gantt chart or critical path. That's what we're talking about. Or they can calculate the activity times, actually see the optimistic and pessimistic and pick the best one. So that's all from me. Thank you.